Anytime I ask you a question, the answer you're going to give me is going to be the word pepper. If I ask you your name, Pepper. Where do you live? Pepper. The theory of relativity, Pepper. Anytime you hear somebody say the word pepper, you will sneeze, and you'll sneeze very energetically. What's your favorite subject in school?
Pepper.
You know where St. Louis is, right?
Pepper.
What are you planning on studying?
Pepper.
You know, I had a sneaky suspicion that's what I was going to say. I asked him his name, he said Pepper. What's he doing?
He's talking.
What's going on?
Pepper, pepper,